going on, everybody? It's your boy SoFly Trades here, back with another video, and it is currently 7 a.m. It's been 30 minutes since market open. There's nothing, I haven't taken anything yet. Price is slowly chopping upwards. I kind of like QQQ better than SPY today. So on QQQ, I think I'll be looking more for that. I'll be looking more of the, God damn it. I'd like this 5 to break above this 511 and show me some signs that price would like to hold this here. But yeah, currently 7 a.m. I want a full break above this 512 with a retest. So I'm about to show you guys that soon, what I'm looking for. Alrighty, this is what I'm talking about on QQQ. This break above this 511/512. But we have quite an anomaly with that big volume stick there and that little candlestick right there. We have quite an anomaly here. So I'm just sitting here watching it. 15 minutes looking pretty decent. Let's see what that hourly is looking like. Yeah, I'm liking the way the hourly is looking for QQQ here. And we have quite a lot of room though. But yep. But yeah, I'm about to go find some levels, but that's basically what I'm looking for right now. Some strength on here. Currently waiting on the retest of my key area now. It had that one little 5-minute retest, but it wasn't strong enough on the breakthrough, so I didn't take that just in case it could fail. I want like a strong close, you know, above the level and then a retracement to the level with a hold to show me that buyers do want to hold this to take price up to the next key area. Now I have a big price target around this 517 area. What I might consider doing is going long now. Simply because we could just chop up, like that's all we've been doing lately. So we'll see. Me a limit order at my key level there. So if we were to retrace, you know, it'll, you know, fill me in. Hopefully it retraces. I don't just want to jump in, you know. But we'll see. I am currently in longs. I am going to be adjusting my stop. But yesterday I didn't take anything. Yesterday it was Monday. Monday I didn't take anything. Today's Tuesday. I'm hoping we get some continuation to the upside today, because we didn't really get any moves in pre-market, so I'm hoping we get the upside move today, intraday in New York session. We'll see. I just readjusted my stop. I now have a 30 tick stop loss from entry. 5 minutes is looking pretty good on SPY. I just cut my position because price action is looking like it can break down right here. Look like we could have like some kind of a retracement since we can't break through this 515. So I'm just being cautious. If we were to break above this, I could re-enter on a break and a retest of my 5-minute time frame. But yeah, it's definitely pulling back. But we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated. So the 15-minute, this could be an anomaly, that wick on that green candle. If this candle holds, this candle closes green. If it closes red, then we could see just like a pullback, at least to that 9-day EMA. We'll see. I just scalped it though. I'd rather enter more directly on my level if we can get a pullback down to my level here. But we'll see. I'll update you guys soon. So far, so good. It's still green. I still want to just follow my rules, you know? Not trying to make a bunch of money, just trying to follow rules. If I'm being honest with you guys, I'm low-key thinking about shorting this. I just don't want to go against the uptrend. But I think this could possibly be a good scalp to the downside, maybe. But what's most likely going to keep me out is the trend of the day, which is an uptrend. Because I would love to take longs off of my key level. I would love it. I had entered on this candlestick because this is the only pullback we had gotten, you know. So I basically scalped it from here up into these areas for that $125. But now it's looking like it doesn't want to break past this 515. So I could try to short that and have my stop above the wick, because if it breaks that, I'm obviously wrong. But I'll update you guys soon. I just need to think this through really quick. So I'm glad I'm not shorting this. Like I said, I didn't want to go against the trend. But price is definitely holding these EMAs. I'm considering a re-entry long. We got lowering volume on that red selling candlestick. And it looks like we've sort of built a new base for now, that if we break under, we will see some downside continuation if we break under this little base right here. We need to break above and retrace with a retest in order for me to go long, because it could just chop around here, and I want to be careful. I don't want to give that gains unnecessarily. I'd rather come out with a small win and turn a green day into a red day. But I'll update you guys soon. Looks like it's wicking out, sort of. But we'll see. We need like some real strength, like a real candlestick, you know what I mean? And then a retracement. But yeah, I'll update you guys soon. I got my limit order set. Just waiting on some sort of a retest. I basically have my order according to MES, basically like here, this neckline on SPY that it was having trouble rejecting. Resistance turned into support. It should be turning into support now. Although that wasn't a super duper strong, breakthrough, it did still have a spike in volume. 15 minute isn't looking too bad right now. But we'll see. One thing I want to say is I definitely sold too early, but when I seen these 2 candlesticks, I wasn't playing no games because I keep getting stopped out on good trades that are going with me, and then I get stopped out on some BS. So I took my profits. That's why I did that, because I seen these that are simultaneous, and I also seen this decent 5-minute candlestick. But we were also holding EMAs, but I didn't even want to just take the chance of we just, a quick little spike move to the downside, stop me out, or something like that. So now I can't just re-enter, since I paper traded, although I would like to just re-enter. I gotta get a good risk to reward. So if I don't get failed on this, then, it's not too much I can do about it. I don't want to chase the price, you know what I mean? Because that's what I was doing last week and a little bit the week before. So I'm just trying to make these changes, implement these changes that I was telling you guys about. Yeah, I definitely should have held that position. I was only risking $188, but it's all good. We live and we learn. Hopefully it can fill me though. I'll update you guys soon. So prices just sort of stair-stepping. I might consider entering with my stop where my buy order is. It's about a 30 tick stop from where we are currently. We'll see. I'm just still analyzing right now. I'm waiting, trying to wait for like a really good pullback. But the market is just stair-stepping, like I just said. Patience is truly key in this market, man. It really is. That's a solid 15-minute close for continuation to the upside, in my opinion. Shoot, I might not get to take anything else because I'm really trying to fight the urge to just jump in. Although, like I said, I see price. I can have my stop. If I was to jump in, if we were to, break down here, previous neckline. So I feel like that could be an area with this 514, yeah. Which is like this area right here. Since we're holding EMAs, we've been holding EMAs all day, which means we could continue this trend. That could be a trend of the day. So I might, if anything, I might move up my entry, at least to right here. Just waiting. So trading is 90% just waiting, 10% execution and managing. So far, we're still green. So far, so good. So due to all this trend today, I entered a trade on ES instead of MES because this uptrend continuation is just too apparent. So I just wanted to try it. Might take one off the top here. I'm up $430 right now. Might just have my stop at break even. I will be honest, I took a little bit more risk playing on ES, but I wanted to try to, catch some of the move without having to catch a big part of the move, if that makes sense. While still being able to make profits. This is SPY, what basically, what I'm trading according to. I'm hoping we can make new highs. I really want this 592 price target to hit, but I don't think that's gonna hit. I low-key feel like I should have traded NQ instead of ES because NQ's price action is just written with new highs. That's what I got my initial scalp off before. So I just ended up closing a trade out for $666 because it looked like it's tapping out. Yeah, I definitely feel like I should trade the NQs because they were super strong, but I can't complain, bro. See, I made back all my losses from last week in a day. So now we are $289 in profit on this account, on both accounts. But I'm scaling down tomorrow. I'm going back to MES and MNQ. Unless we have a mean trend, then I might try one contract. But yeah, other than that, I'm about to get ready to go to school. Class is at 11:10. It's currently 9:51 a.m. I really wish I was in this move, on this pullback, back to this resistance turn support. What? That move would have been lit. But that was at what? Oh yeah, that was at 645. That was around 640, 645. Oh yeah, that was right here. I was looking at it like it was gonna reject. But shit, price action from my futures was telling me it was, holding. But it is what it is. I can't complain about anything. I still made $666. But yeah, it's not a bad way to get these challenges, Not a bad way to start the week. Is my, first couple of trades. All green today. Yep, all green today. But I'm gonna go ahead and journal this, and yeah, I'll see you guys on my way to school. Peace. You feel me? On my way to school. Yo. Mentally, today was harder because I had to stay longer. Like, I was, man, damn near trading most of trading day. But, see y'all boys at school, you found me? What is going on, everybody? So, yesterday, Tuesday, I didn't get to record at school to finish out the video like I wanted to. Just mad busy. And mentally, yesterday, I was drained after trading till damn near fucking 10-something a.m. But yeah, so as you guys could see yesterday, made a cool $666. I don't think there's going to be any trades for me Wednesday. So I'm gonna just finish out the video with this here. No matter how long it takes, never quit. And never take advice from someone that's not even doing, that's not even where you want to be. If you're taking advice from people that's not even where you want to be in life, you got the game fucked up. Don't ever take advice from somebody that's not even in the same field that you in, don't even got the same aspirations that you are, and settling for less. Don't ever take advice from those people. But other than that, I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.